Hey everyone, welcome back. Now in this video we will see how long people stay in those two hotels, resort and city hotel. First thing, we have to take the valid entries to our data frame which are not cancelled. That means each cancelled should be equal to 0. And then we will calculate one more column which is total nights is equal to, we have stays in weekend nights and weekday nights. So we will sum this up and then we will create total nights. This is quite easy, right? The next one is we will be grouping based on the hotel and one second, total stay. Total stay is what we created in our previous total nights. Okay, name is different. So total stay. In this case, we will be having resort and city. So this is the total stay. We're just grouping, saying that in case of resort hotel, the number of people who stayed 0 nights. That means people didn't stay during night time is 3. In case of city, the number of people who stayed one night is 2. Resort hotel, the number of people who stayed one night is called 3. Like this is not day, this is night. Okay, we are checking the number of night stays. I hope this is clear. This is what we are doing with the group by using hotel and total stay. Now we can go to our Jupyter notebook. Now this is we had done. Now let's go down. Okay, here. What am I doing? The first step is to take the valid data and then add one more column which is equal to total nights, that is stays in weekend plus stays in weekday. Okay, I'm just printing what is there in the DF3. You can see at the end this column is added, total nights. How we know, right? You can just come to this is, yeah, stays in weekend night. So the last one we can see 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, now we are only taking the starting 3 columns into this DF4, data frame 4, total nights, hotel and is cancelled. Let's run this. You can see here. Oh, we have actually run only this one. So you can check this DF4. It should have zeros. Is cancelled is 0, right? Yeah. In this line of code, we are just performing group by based on total nights and hotel, and we are calculating the count like 1, 2. We are calculating the count and we are doing the reset index. Now I'm just printing what is there in the hotel stay. If you observe here, is cancelled is having 251, which is actually the number of stays. So that is what we will rename the column. Instead of count, it will just give whatever the name was present in this DF4. So that is the reason why we have is cancelled. Now we're just renaming to is cancelled to number of stays. Now let's execute this. This is number of stays which is correct. 0 is 251. Resort is 371. Now what am I doing is I want to separate city hotel data and resort hotel data. Now this is our final data frame. I can say hotel stay, give the condition hotel is equal to resort hotel, and I want the data frame. Okay, now I'll just execute. This is how it looks like. Same thing you can see there are people who stay till 69 nights in the what is that, resort hotel. You can perform exactly the same filtering for the city hotel. Exactly same. The only difference is hotel name should be city. Now we have executed this. Now we have already known, because we have already created the bar chart. X-axis I'm giving resort total nights, in resort y-axis number of stays, name I'm giving resort stay. When you hover on the chart, it will say resort stay. If you remember, I had mentioned that trace can be multiple values so that we can actually plot multiple bar charts in single chart. So in this case, I'm giving trace 1 for city hotel. So there will be two bars, like it will be grouped based on the hotel. So yeah, I'm just again specifying x-axis is from hotel stay, city hotel. In this case, it is from resort. These two are different data frame. For city and resort, you're just naming it city. You're just passing data as trace and trace 1. Layout, you're just giving the title. Now we are just plotting it. Let's execute this. This is the one. City stay and resort stay. This blue color is for resort. If you over on this, it will say the number of guests is night is 1. 6,579 people have stayed. Them based on this crop, what we can conclude, majority of them will stay for maximum 1 week, but there are couple of exception in this case as well. Okay. One more thing, I'm not writing the observation or conclusion in our cases, but you have to do it. So please write whatever you have understood. You just write it in your own words. Okay. Okay. We are almost coming to the end of this analysis. Thank you so much for watching this video. This one was not as difficult as the previous one. This is quite easy. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.